Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to measure your heart rate variability and other sleep factors with Sleep 2.0 algorithm on Smart Band 10 Pro. Smart Band 10 Pro has an algorithm used to monitor your health during your sleep. And it monitors things like breathing rate, heart rate variability, and other things, and then based on that gives you reports. Heart rate variability works best if your age in your profile is set correctly, because for different ages there will be different ranges of healthy HRV. So let's go to profile, make sure that in your profile your age is correct. If not, you may want to change it in your profile settings. Then go to device and go to device in the app and go to fitness and health. Sleep, and make sure that advanced monitoring and breathing rate are enabled. With that, your watch will measure everything during your sleep, everything that it can measure, and it'll give you analytics based on your sleep, which will be later visible in the health section in sleep section right here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.